Får vi se då om det blir en duell även in i första kurvan om Borglund är tillräckligt nära. Nej, där har vi en krasch av Theo Borglund.
PLF är med och det ser ut som man ligger bakom Jimmy Hjellros eller Fredrik Eriksson.
Men det kommer att krävas lite högre tempo tror jag. Här har vi en vurpa på Björn Trygg. In i bergskurvan. En ganska harmlös krasch.
Victoria Sal y el título de campeón de España, ¿eh? Vamos a ver, la salida bastante limpia. De momento no ha habido ningún problema en este circuito de Navarra. ¡Ojo! Ahí tenemos algún piloto. Cuidado con la moto que ha vuelto dentro de la pista. Varios pilotos, ¿eh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pilotos que se han quedado ahí. Román Ramos cuarto, se quedaría líder. ¡Ojo! La caída de Jordi Torres. La caída del campeón del mundo de la Coppa.
Con tanti nuovissimi talenti provenienti dal Civi Junior pronti ad emergere. Qui purtroppo una carambola al bucine, ma per fortuna anche in questo caso problemi soltanto di uscita di gara. Salvadori con la Pirelli 9M2 Racing, la 1100 quest'anno riesce a sopravanzarlo, a portarsi al comando, poi il contatto del bianco Mantovani purtroppo alla staccata della bucine, un po' di discussione tra i due perché ecco che cosa succede. Michele Pirro perde il controllo e se ne va all'anteriore e qui purtroppo niente da fare. Il pluricampione italiano finisce così del bianco con Capellini alle spalle dei primi, poi il sorpasso di Michele Pirro, pazzesca la dinamica su Andrea Mantovani, rimane agganciato la moto, i due finiscono a terra, un rischio enorme, per fortuna senza conseguenze per questi due piloti.
Crash down at turn 3 and he just gets thrown off and lands a little bit awkwardly there for Lachlan. You can see him rolling through the gravel trap and at least able to walk away with it.
The problem is when you've got the wind coming from where well, he's hoping to make that work as he gets to the chicane, which it will, I think.
Wow,
yeah.
Round the outside at Corrins.
Hang on.
Oh no!
Hang on.
And Andy this time is the victim of Ryan Vickers.
I actually,
The McCams Yamahas together now then, O'Halloran and McKenzie, and then Ryan Vickers, the local boy from just up the road, up the A11, and Buchan goes down!
Oh, that is a bent bike.
Oh, Danny setting the pace.
He's on the outside, the left-hand side, and watch it, it'll be the front.
He touches, does he? He touches Brad Ray.
I think he touched the back end of Brad Ray. You saw a bit of smoke from the tyres, yeah.
And I don't know, it stood Brad Ray up, so let's hope that he's all right.
Yeah,
look, Brad Ray goes and loses a lot of time. He's got to go onto the grass, steady up the
to be doing is getting involved in a massive fight with, well, anybody. He needs to be in that leading group. He knows he's got the pace, but... Oh! And that's Ryan Vickers. Oh, we're going to get away with that.
Oh, bless him, he's just to say.
In the mouth stuff that. Oh yeah, clipped the curb. Clipped the inside curb.
Oh, blimey.
Yeah, that
look
was
what he's done to the bike.
Yeah, that was. He goes around the outside of Vickers. Those two touch. And we don't really see what. Now we will. Let's have a look.
Vickers lost it third.
Yeah, but watch. Hang on. We're not done yet.
Oh,
what happened?
Oh, and Hickman goes down and Vickers down.
But Hickman was hit. Hickman was hit from the inside. 100%.
Brad Jones, Tom DeParis is in there as well. It's amazing how quickly that. Oh no!
Sugar.
Wow!
Oh, massive ice time from
Taparis.
Taparis, and he's taken down McGreevy. So that was.
McGreevy was frustrated by that. Corey McGreevy had such a great ride yesterday. And everybody so far remaining commendably upright as they feel their way around. I was reminded of, commentator's curse instantly strikes. And down has gone number 14, Evan Pendrell on the...
Casey there just... Oh, big moment there. That was a bit of a bobble. Sideways.
Wow. Well, the lad looks to have rolled well, but heaven only knows what happened to the bike. Oh, the bike's come back. And it's Charlie Farah.
Yeah, I commented yesterday. He was a little bit of a...
clip
there. Oh!
And that was one rider just moving across, and the man behind him clipped the back end.
It was Bailey Stewart Campbell really not doing anything, but he just was a little bit aggressive and swinging back. And then a rider, Lyons with a faster exit there. And of course, Corey Tinker had nowhere to go, but unfortunately ran over.
One after the other. Fortunately without injury. Number 55, Brodie Crockford, was narrowly missed by the number 19 KTM, to fall victim to the conditions, and Owen Jenner, a bit of motocrossing, leapt over him.
Vaughan done very, very well to hold that then, because he went in too tight. That crash there for number 90 and number 69.
Decorums, brave move by the 13-year-old. Look at the shaking head of Harvey Claridge's under his... Oh, man! And down goes the championship leader. Down and out goes Franco Bourne. The championship leader's out, and as they storm the hill to the finish line.
Ahead, and once he got in front, you thought there was no way back. There were fallers, in actual fact, thick and fast, and the Japanese hero Arazeki was one of them. Guys were hurtling. Levi Day did a repeat yesterday when Elliot Pinsent went down with a crash. That was the move on the lapped rider.
Going into turn 5, just got in a little deep on the inside.
Oh, man.
God, luckily, whoever he hit stayed up on 2 wheels.
Yeah, Walt Sipp got into the...
So he's in deep, Xavier, as he figures out there's probably nobody there, but Benjamin was in deep as well and trying to slow the bike down to where he couldn't hit Xavier, but he ends up just kind of clouding him. Looks like Lucas.
Is that Hidalgo?
Maybe Christian...
Chris Crossland?
Yes.
Yeah, I think it is. It is the 66. Oh, that's a big flip from Crossland in 10th and change.
一気にスピードを上げてきますね、野添コーター。そして5コーナーへと入っていく。さあ5コーナーで順位が入れ替わっと接触があった。3番手にいたライダーと5番手のライダーがおそらく接触をしたと思います。5コーナー2台接触の転倒です。今イン側に入っていこうとしたライダーがですね、水野選手だ。水野選手ともう1台はちょっと待ってくださいね。さあ今赤旗が出ました。赤旗が
立てていく。2コーナー立ち上がってくる。さあ渥美がポールショート、1台後ろへ転倒している。2台が接触。そして3コーナーの進入で名古屋哲平が前に出る。名古屋哲平前に出る。ポールショットは渥美心いい反応。
そしてもう1台転倒ですね。130R で1台転倒という情報。ゼッケン70番が転倒だ。上原大輝
150 has made a solid start as well.
Helmi Asman's up there too. Helmi Asman goes in sideways. Has he pulled it off? He's run wide. Helmi Asman gets the whole shot. But, big crash. Big crash.
22. Out there is Minamimoto.
Not sure who the second rider was in that group there. But we'll bring you the news on that when we find out, when we head back to it. But meanwhile, out front, it is Adam Norridin. There's another big crash at the back of the field. Look at that.
That bike is still catapulting away. 50 Afif Amram, who went off this morning. I think.
Oh, another rider's gone down.
Wow, what is going on? The riders are losing all kinds of grip. Oh.
Che si accende giù la testa, mai lo sguardo e si parte, partenza anticipata di bruttissimo del numero 2 mentre parte davanti a tutti, mannaggia, parte davanti a tutti, proprio Vanni mentre la partenza anticipata del numero 2 Mancino, mentre rivediamo la caduta, accidenti, è stato coinvolto proprio Sanchioni che finisce malamente a terra e anche Martile di guida più che stiloso all'attacco di un Furega che si è preso un rischio da paura. Nicola, accidentaccio, tutti e due giù. Accidenti, che giro strano per Marco Furega che di salvare il podio lo ha colpito Massimiliano, ma direi assolutamente incolpevolmente, anzi forse è stato proprio solo un incrocio di traiettorie.
È un incrocio.
Everything's okay. Oh! Yeah, he just missed he did the same thing Cianciarulo did. He missed the top of the dragon back. Look at him, he's riding it, he leans over to the left to miss the face and just lands.
Like a mental reset. That's what almost looked like happened with Jet. And then he picked it back up. Like he said, oh, is that Hampshire?
Wait a minute, it is. It is. Or I'd say Rockstar Husqvarna rider, I'm pretty sure it is. Boy, he must have went for a ride to get that far separated from his machine.
Gets a little kickoff and watch this. This is one of the nastiest crashes you'll see.
Oh,
and the rider
boy.
even walks away. Cannot believe it. Look at him. Has to eject there. I don't know how he didn't break anything. Thankfully, the soil's a little soft there, but now you know why that bike looks the way it does.
This is unbelievable.
A lot of similarities when you talk to Johnny and what Jets.
Here we go. Whoa! Ferrandis takes Christian Craig down. That was hard.
Straight they go, and Bertram, is he going to stay on his bike here? Surely one of them will come down. No, they've stayed on. Oh,
Lingwood's gone down. Oh!
All three. No, that would not happen in normal conditions.
Both of them, by golly.
I mean, Freddie Lindgren just...
I thought something went wrong with his bike because we didn't see it because we're focusing on the third and fourth, but by golly, that's...
By Russ Brown Motorcycle Attorneys, light turns green is JJ96, Jesse Janis in the lead. There goes 1-2 down in the first corner.
Looks like Sipes and one other rider.
That is Ryan Sipes, that's not good, so the red flag is out. There's a replay of what happened. Watch the right side of the screen. One bike goes down, and then Ryder has nowhere to go. That is the Raggio goes up and over the handlebars, a cartwheel.
Man, that he just had nowhere to go when Luker fell down.
It was the 25 went down first.
Yeah, it was Ben Lau that went down.
There, Lau, look, he's up the inside of another rider right there, and just goes down, just runs out of real estate. And then the one to stop over and talk to him. Here's a look at the replay right here. Watch the right side of the screen. And, man, the bike jarred right back into him, it looks like.
Looked like he had slid out, actually, well before.
Here's another look at it. So,
maybe Pearson got it. Looked like there's a little bit of love there from Pearson.
And that's why probably Declan Benner, he's got by Bova. He's tracking down the leaders. Declan just moving up. Oh, we got one rider down, two riders down, three riders down. Woo, three riders down in turn number 4 in a hurry. Red flag is out, so 3 riders